had another lovely warm showers stay here in, I was pronouncing it Gijón, but it's Gijón. And now I'm heading 30 kilometers inland to the town of Oviedo, which also seems to be a nice town to explore. So I've arranged for another amazing warm showers host. So I should be able to explore that town on foot as well. This dropped down so quickly. I can see from my photos that that's dropped about an inch in the last day. I suppose it was from all the bumpy tracks I was on. Good. That's better. Glad I noticed that before I got sore knees today. I've been following this highway for about 10 kilometers, but I think I leave it behind now. Cuesta con merengue? Gracias. Not a very inspiring ride so far, so I might as well sit on an ugly street facing an ugly building and eat a delicious pastry. I'm sure Oviedo is going to be very, very charming indeed. Okay, where do my pastry wrappers go? Materiales no reciclables. Materia orgánica, pienso. Arrived at 1:15, so I'm finding a lot of closed doors. An open door. Hola, solo el celio, por favor. Gracias.
Voy a tomar agua. ¿Eh? ¿A dónde?
Funny. On the way uphill now to my host's place. It's so pretty, guys. Gorgeous. And as if by magic, it's now the 24th. That's bordering on magical. Love it. Free art gallery. Picasso.
Pero claro, se quedan así, se quedan...
Smells amazing in here. All these cured meats. Hola, ¿cuesta empanada este qué?
¿Cómo cuesta?
Sí.
A 2.50.
No,
Este bonito.
este de bonito, por favor. Well, this is a far lovely spot for lunch today. Empanada de bonito, whatever that is. And I'm sharing the bench with a statue. More free gallery art. The holes in the columns are from Civil War bullets. There's so many statues in this city. You're right, Woody? Sure, man. Thank you very much today to long-term page supporter SharkMentality. Thank you so much for becoming a YouTube channel member. Thank you, SharkMentality. Back at the house, I got a lesson from Ben in the proper way to appreciate Asturian cider.
Just a little bit. That's all you need. Nice and fizzy and bubbly, and drink it quickly.
Ready? Yeah. Cheers.